So come with me and I will show you how to plant these beautiful fruits. Welcome guys. Are you a lover of coconuts? Do you enjoy the goodness of these beautiful fruits? Do you wish to plant coconuts in your own garden, your backyard, in your backyard? Are you aware that you can actually plant the coconut fruit that you obtain from the store and it will begin to grow in your backyard? Come with me, I will show you how to do that. And likewise, you can plant a coconut fruit as it is. If you want to know how to do that, there's a link in the description of this video that shows you a video where you can actually plant it as it is. But then, if you are actually obtaining it from the store, coconut seed from the store, how do you go about planting it? Come with me, let us see how to do it. Now, this fruit that we have, we are going to make it as the one that you buy from your store. Let's see, follow me. Do not forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get informed when I bring another informative and interesting video such as this. You can also show us some appreciation by clicking on thanks and buy some super thanks for us to show your appreciation. Thank you. Let's go. So the first thing is to remove the shell from the coconut fruit. So you have the coconut seed like this, just like the one you bought from your store. Now, how do you plant it? First, make sure that the coconut seed that you purchase from the store has water inside. You shake it, ensure that there's water inside. See now? That is the good one. Next, you want to ensure that the 3 dots at the top remain intact. This is called eye of the coconut. It must be intact because that is where the coconut will germinate from. As you can see the eye? It must be intact. Nothing must affect it. Now, after getting that, you are ready to plant your coconut seed. So, let us see the next step in planting the coconut seed. Get water into a container like this. All right. Then you keep the coconut seed inside water like this. Make sure it is submerged in water for 2 days. If it is floating, then you get something that has weight. Stay on top here to make sure that the coconut seed is inside the water for 2 days. After 2 days, then you get something like a polythene like this, add small water, and you bring the coconut seed into it and seal it up with it, tie it, and keep it somewhere safe where you can be seeing it, where it will be feeling the moisture and at the same time some warmth. Then in about 3 to 4 weeks, you see your coconut tree beginning to sprout roots from the ice. To begin to sprout roots. Then another 2 or 3 weeks, you see the shoot. You see the shoots coming out. That time, your coconut seed is ready to be transplanted into the soil. So you keep it this way, in a safe place, away from direct sunlight, or where it can receive some warmth. So you dig a small hole in the soil like this, in a loamy soil, and then you put the coconut seed that has germinated there. Cover it with soil and apply water every day until it shoots out.